In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Whiteboard as a JPEG, a handy skill that can enhance your workflow whether you're collaborating with colleagues or simply organizing your own notes visually. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred internet browser. Any browser should work fine, though modern ones like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox are optimal. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Whiteboard. This will guide you to the home page for Microsoft Whiteboard, where you can access the application directly. Next, click on the Sign In button. If you're already using a Microsoft 365 account, often you'll find that the system already knows it's you and signs you in automatically. However, if it doesn't, just enter your email address followed by your password. There might be extra security measures like two-factor authentication, which you should complete to ensure your account's security. Once signed in, locate the Microsoft Whiteboard app on your computer's dashboard and open it. If it isn't already installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Now that you have the whiteboard open, select the particular whiteboard you want to export. This may sound simple, but it's good to remember that larger whiteboards, or those with many elements, may take a little extra time to load. On the whiteboard page, navigate to the upper right corner where you'll find the Settings menu. It typically looks like a little gear icon. Click on Settings. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find the Export Image option. Clicking this will allow you to move on to the most critical stage of our tutorial. You'll then be prompted to choose between a standard image resolution or a high-resolution option. If you plan to use this image for presentations or any documentation that requires a lot of detail, opting for high resolution is wise. But if file size is your concern, or you're just archiving for personal use, standard resolution should suffice. After selecting your preferred resolution, all you need to do is click on Export. Depending on your system and internet speed, exporting the image might take a moment. Once the process is complete, the JPEG version of your whiteboard will be saved on your computer. Typically, it gets saved in your default Downloads folder unless you've set a different location for your downloads. So, there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide on exporting Microsoft Whiteboard as a JPEG. This method is quick and efficient, allowing you to share your work swiftly with others or keep organized records for yourself. Whether you're in a professional setting or learning environment, mastering these tools can greatly improve your visual communication skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.